know what you do? So, okay, this is the camera, right?
Yeah.
We're all gonna stand here, you two, right? And then get it to us, and then we'll wave at it, and then just fly all the way back so you can catch everything, yeah?
Why don't you do it? Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
It's not my drone.
Do you know how to... Okay.
Don't touch it.
No, look, it's your stuff. If I break it, you know.
Take off.
Yeah.
The home port
Get in and say hello.
Please check
All you
it on
gotta do
the
is
map.
Oh, you know, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how
Let's go all the way, fly all the way back now. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, like that.
All the way back.
You have to stand closer to the cliff.
Why don't we do it the other way around?
Yeah.
Let's go near the cliff.
The other way.
Oh, actually, start from here.
Okay. Oh, you wanna turn it to you?
Yeah, just turn it.
You
can turn it that way, just in case if it falls, we can catch it.
Everyone come this way. Everyone come this way. So turn around. Hey, you have to get in it as well. Bring it down a little bit.
Okay. Oh, this is...
You stand in the middle.
All right.
Yeah.
Bring it down so you can see us.
Oh, there's a wrong down.
Yeah.
All right.
Start recording.
It's recording.
Go up slowly, yes. Keep going slowly and then push it back. Yes. Hey, watch for the rock, Woo! Beauty. That's a good one. That's a good shot, man. Keep going further back if you can. You get the view. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful.
Woo! All right.
So good. Oh, that was sick.
Now come back to me. Oh, baby.
Don't go far.
Nice one. What you should have been.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. No problem.
We've got to get some of that footage now.
Yeah.
Bluetooth. When you guys on the next slide? Airdrop it now. When you guys on the next slide? Airdrop it.
Oh, in September?
Let me turn it. Okay, I want to just take a picture of the rock.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so a bit of a break.
Yeah, a little bit of break.
That one's quite long. Like
23 kilometers.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god, holy! That's like going to the sea.
It takes about like 10-12 hours total.
Maybe. Well, this took us 24 hours.
Okay, guys, it's in our back.
Alright.
Turn around.
Where's the
It doesn't see us, but it's okay.
It's starting to rain.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Do you mind if we get your email?
Oh yeah, you wanna go to my YouTube?
You want to?
Yeah. I got YouTube.
You're gonna dump it in like 4K, what's it, like HD, eh?
Okay.
Airdrop, done, yeah.
You can airdrop it.
Nah, the file's way too big.
For airdrop? No.
The file is too big.
Oh, it's probably HD,
Alright.
Okay, let's do it. Yay! Thank you.